Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 2 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS launcher on this device. Start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Over here you need to type iOS launcher and then download this free app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. Now choose while using the app, click on Allow and tap Home button. After that, you need to click on iOS launcher, select OK, then click Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my OnePlus. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!